equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage. First, power off your Lenovo X1 14 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery clearly. It is usually secured with a few screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a gentle tug, so ensure you are not pulling on any wires. Once disconnected, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Connect the battery connector back to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely attached. Next, replace the screws that hold the battery in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Once the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your Lenovo X1 14 to ensure the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo X1 14. Enjoy your device with its new battery, and remember, if you need help, we are just a call away. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.